Hello, this is Marius from design.net, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of my newest WordPress theme, the artworks. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything so it's easy for you to get started. How to set up the home page, upload logo, create pages, create the drop down menu, categories, how to set up the background. You can have your custom background, how to put a little text about your company or about what you're doing right here, and also how to set up the blog. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to set up the widgets on a sidebar. So let's go inside WordPress. I'm going to show you first how to set up the logo, the background, and the social media icons, and this text right here. So let's go inside WordPress. For those of you who are new with WordPress, you need to install the free theme. So go under Appearance, Install Themes, Upload, and right here when you download the zip file, right here, just open. I'm not gonna open, and then install and activate. Once you activate, you're gonna see the artworks settings. Obviously you're gonna have your theme right here. Just click under artwork settings and here you can have your custom logo, custom background. Here's the header text, just put whatever you want here. The social media icons, Facebook, Twitter, Dribbble, Google+, Pinterest. I guess those are the important one. So let me first show you how to set up the logo. So this is going to be gone. So click upload your logo. My dimensions are about 300 wide by 100 pixels high, but obviously you can have any size you like. So click upload your logo, select files. Your logo could be a JPEG or a PNG, whatever you like. Open. Now click on edit. You're going to go to a new screen and you need to copy this file URL. So just select this, scroll all the way, edit, copy. Make sure the last part is .jpeg or .png. Now go back to Appearance, Settings, and here we're gonna paste it in here. Delete and just paste it in here. So every time you make a change, just save it, and your custom logo would be on a home page right here. Like I said, this is for a text. For a Facebook, this is what you put, HTTP. If let's say you don't have a Dribbble account, just don't put anything there. And every time you make a change, just hit save. And now the custom image, custom background image. Same thing, upload your background, select files. Select the image that you want. Click edit. And once again we need to get this file URL. My dimensions are about 1500 by 900. I guess any size you want it, it's gonna fit inside the page, but I guess the bigger image the better. So select this code all the way down, copy, and once again go under Appearance, Settings, and just paste it in here. And don't forget to save. So once you do this, you'll be all set with your background, your logo, and your social media icons, and your text right here. Okay, so let's go back into WordPress, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the pages and a drop-down menu. Okay. First let's set up a couple pages to get started. you're not gonna have those pages, you have to create your own. So I created about, blog, contact. Don't worry about the home page and the portfolio page. We're gonna set this up in menus. So for now, just set up those 3 pages. I guess those are the main ones. So you would click add new. I'm just gonna edit mine. So you click add new, put a title, you can put about us, whatever you like. Put a picture inside there, put some text, and the template is default template. The blog, we're gonna only use it for a blog. And publish or update. And like I said, this is the blog one. So under pages, add new. Don't put anything here. And the template, change it from default to blog. And update or save. And the last one is the contact page. I use a free plugin, Contact Form 7. So if you want to use that, go under plugins, add new, search for Contact Form 7, and hit install. Once you install, you're gonna see the contact right here. So just copy this shortcode. Copy, go back to your pages, there create a new contact or edit this one, and just paste this code right here. I already have mine, so I'm not gonna repeat it. And then hit publish or update. The template, it's default template. Okay, so we create a couple pages. Just to get started, you can always delete them, add new ones. You can do that later. This is just to get you started. Now we're gonna add some categories. So click under post and click on categories. So far I have design, illustrations, posters, typography. You can add right here. Photography if you like. Don't put any slang or any description, just add new category. You can always change it. If you don't like it, just delete it. And that's it. Just put few of them, 2 or 3, just so we can I can show you how to set up the drop down menu with the categories. So once you have those categories, let's go under appearance. Let's go under menus. And here we're gonna create a menu. You're gonna click on this add menu button, and you're gonna type header underscore menu. Make sure you type it exactly how it is in here, or it's not gonna work. And then create menu. So I already created mine right here. This is the name. And now we're gonna add the pages in here. So for this one, just click view all. Do not add this one, just add those 3. If you want to add this one, just add it, and it's going to be right here. You can always drag it wherever you want it. You can remove it. So you have the about, you have the blog, and you have the contact one. I'm going to show you how to set up portfolio, but first I'm going to show you how to set up the home one. So you're going to make a custom, put your URL, your website.com, and put label home or homepage, whatever you want. Add to the menu, and this is going to be your custom one. You can just drag it here. Oops. And here's your URL and this navigation label. You can always change this, or in this case I'm going to remove it. I have mine right here. So if somebody clicks on home, it's going to go to this page. Okay, so you got your home, got your about, blog. Now we're going to set up this portfolio. So the URL is a hashtag, it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to remove it and show you how it's done. So in here, put a hashtag, type portfolio or categories or drop down menus or whatever you like. Add to the menu. Just drag it right here. And then you have your categories right here. Just click view all, and you're just gonna add them. So let's say if I want to add this one, it's right here. We just move it. I'm just going to remove it so it doesn't repeat. But here is my portfolio, and this one just slide it to the right, so it's a drop down. So under portfolio, you're going to have a drop down menu of design, illustration, posters, and typography. If you want to move this around, just drag it and move it any way you like it. Okay, so this is how your page and categories should look like. And save the menu. Don't forget to save the menu. And then once you go on home page, you're gonna have all those pages and portfolio with a drop-down menu. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you how to set up the home page. As you can see, it's an infinite scroll. And I'm also gonna show you how to set up a blog. Okay. And categories. It's made of a post on the home page. Okay, so let's go inside of WordPress again. Before we set this up, go under settings, reading, and change blog post show at most from, you probably had 10, change it to 8, and front page display, some of you have selected this, and maybe you have here blog or something. Just go back to your latest posts, and blog post show at most, change it to 8, and save it. Okay, so now let's go under posts, and we're going to create some new post here. Obviously those you're not going to see it. You're not going to see this with the theme. You have to create your own. So let me just, you would click add new. For those of you who are new to WordPress, you click add new. I'm just going to edit one of mine. So for this one, you would add new, put a title, put an image inside, put some text. Then here select which categories you want this to go under. Do you want to go under typography, design, illustration, or just typography? Or is this a blog post? So this one for me is typography. I just selected this, and you need to add feature image. So this is going to be, it's not going to show anything, so just set feature image. And make sure you do not use the one that you had from before, from your old theme, because WordPress remembers your settings and dimensions, and the pictures and the posts on the homepage gonna get stretched. So do not use that. Upload your brand new images from an upload file. If you have a lot of images, there's a plugin. It's called Regenerate Thumbnails. You can just install it, and it's gonna regenerate all your thumbnails for you. And it's a free plugin. Just download this, activate it, and just they show you screenshots. Under screenshot, this show you what to do. Go under tools, regenerate thumbnails, and regenerate all your thumbnails, and they all gonna change to the right proportion. But if you have few of them, just upload. Don't use it from your media library, just upload a new file. So upload new file, select files. Here's mine. As long as the images are bigger than the boxes. The boxes are about 310 by 420. So as long as you use something 400 by 500, that's perfect size. Or anything bigger is fine too. So hit open. It's gonna show it right here, set as a feature image. Here it is, and publish or update. So this post is gonna go on a home page. Those are your latest one, and also under typography. So if you go on the home page, it's gonna show here, and also if you go under, I think it's typography, it's right here. So that's pretty much it. pretty straightforward and simple. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the blog. Pretty much same thing with the blog. Let's go inside WordPress, go under posts. You would add new. I'm just going to edit one of my blogs. So you add new, put a title, put an image inside. The images are about, I would say, 700. Put some text. If you don't want the image to link anywhere, just hit on that and it's not gonna go anywhere. And obviously select blog as your post, where you want this post to go. So just select blog. If you don't have a blog, just add new category and type blog, add to new category. Obviously I have mine, so I'm just gonna select it. And same thing with a feature image. Remove feature image, set new feature image. Don't use the one from your media library. Upload files, select, and use one from here. The dimensions are about, I would say, 650 by 300, so anything larger than that, it's fine. Open. Here it is, set as a feature image, and update or publish. So this post is going to show on the home page because it's your latest post, and also it's going to be under your blog. So here it is. Okay, so now right now I'm going to show you how to set up the widgets on a sidebar. Let's go under WordPress. Let's go under Appearance, Widgets, and here's the sidebar widgets. For the search, use the artwork search. Don't use the default one. Use the custom one right here. And here I just have recent posts, categories, text. Put some text in here, calendar, name it, whatever you want. So everything goes right here. Don't put anything in here. Those are the footer widgets. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple portfolio theme with a custom background. So I hope you like it. Watch the video. If you can, just follow the video, and it should be pretty much straightforward to set up everything. So thank you. Hope you like the theme, and I hope I can see some great portfolio and good use made of this theme. Thank you.